ready to unlock the full potential of your Solana and take control of your crypto destiny. First, open your CoinDCX Pro app and make sure you're logged in. Take a quick glance to confirm you have the Solana you want to transfer readily available in your CoinDCX Pro wallet. Now, navigate to your funds and look for Solana. Tap on it, and then select the withdraw option. This is how we initiate the transfer process out of CoinDCX Pro. Next, jump over to your Phantom wallet on your phone. If you don't have it installed, you'll need to download it from your app store and set it up. Once you're in, find your Solana address. It usually starts with a series of letters and numbers, and you can copy it by tapping on it. Be super careful here, triple check that address. Back in CoinDCX Pro, paste the Solana address you just copied from Phantom into the withdrawal address field. Then, carefully enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Make sure you are sending it to the Solana network. Always double check the address and the amount one last time before proceeding to be safe. CoinDCX Pro might ask you for a two-factor authentication code or other verification method for security. Once you've confirmed everything and entered the necessary verification, submit the withdrawal request. And that's it. It might take a few minutes for the Solana network to process the transaction, but you should see your Solana balance update in your Phantom wallet shortly. Now you're ready to explore the exciting world of Solana, DeFi and NFTs. Remember to always secure your wallets, and happy trading.